Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my friend is going to be smashing this microwave. Now, I promised you last video I was going to smash it, so me and my friend Josh is going to smash it. He can't show his face because mom won't allow it until he gets old enough, so yeah, let's just get into this video now.
Did you ever ride this bike?
We're going to go ahead and break the front of it because we're just going to do it for the fun of it. So let's go ahead and get it done now. Alright, Josh is going to go full force with the crowbar at it with the microwave in 3, 2, 1.
He's gonna smash it in 3, 2, 1.
God, micro! Alright, I'm going to drop this microwave off of this car in 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and take it one more step at a time. We're going to smash the inside of it. Now, let's look at the back of the instruction manual. Wait a minute. Walmart? The same company that's going to sell Lunchly? Check. I'm going to make a video of that one day. Screw Walmart! Just joking, I can't talk about stores like that. Let's go full force at it again.
3, 2, Michael Jordan.
Sweet. Keep on hitting. Yeah, rip the good stuff out of it. Kittens. Kittens. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh man, my microwave won't work anymore. It must be the minutes that I can't set the minutes on it. Let me set the minutes for it. Alright, time to set the minutes on this microwave now.
Oopsies.
Ugh, electricity. Ow, it shocked me.
Skip controller.
Ugh, screw electricity.
I'm stupid. I'm hungry. I eat with shovels.
Today we're gonna walk my dog. Let's go. Come on. Hey, why'd you throw stuff at my dog again? Hey! Nobody hurts my dog and gets away with it. Come here! My dog! You don't do that, you understand me? If anybody's watching, this is only for a skit. I swear. Just joking, that was actually a meme that I saw off a YouTube video. So we're good, he's still alive. And just like I said from the last video that I made, crowbars rule! Got it? Alright, we're gonna spin now. Okay, we're playing Fortnite in real life, guys.
Oh, I think I know why it's broken. It just needs a little bit of electricity. Let's build it in. New microwave from a different universe. Get to working. Cook my pizza rolls.
I just invented a new tool to open the back of something. Wow, isn't that a beauty? It's a new way to open up this microwave, guys. So let's go ahead and get that open. I'm gonna put that on this side. Yeah, it's working. Screw microwave.
My pizza roll.
A few hours later. Hey guys, just a little commercial break. If you have an air freshener, you're gay. Unless it's that sense. And yeah, you can just find that at the store. Wherever you shop at, you can find it at the store. Ooh. And yeah, it's black ice. Smells good. You can smell it through the window of the car. Literally. It's been back here for a while. Been sitting here since 2023. So yeah. Alright. Commercial break's over. Let's get back to the video now. Well guys, the microwave is really total now. We sure messed it up. We yanked all the wires out of it. Not all of them. And a crate's been thrown at it. You can also, no, don't throw it. Don't throw that. And you can kind of see the inside. You can kind of see the inside of it right there. Literally. And yeah. And some plastic has been thrown at it. Yep. And that's the door frame. And this was where the glass was. And also, this is the glass right here from where we broke it at. I had covered up this tire so someone out here barefooted, they won't step on it. So yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure this video is well satisfied. Screw this microwave. And so with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on my post notifications for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Finally got my 2 Teslas out of here. Right after my mom banished them in the trash can. Huh, she'll never know. What in the world these people here even order? Timmy, your package is here. Thank you, Mother. Oh well. Oh, it must be working. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm just going to test out this new camera. Let's see if it works. What, the camera doesn't work? Screw Walmart! I hate Walmart! Well, box and camera, since you want to be so stubborn, you get to go in the trash with the other Walmart products. Now stay in the trash and don't come out. And just like I said earlier in the video, if anybody's listening, this is only for a skit. I swear. What's these things? They're back here again? Oh no. Oh. Oh. Imagine 2 vehicles being in a trash can. Wait a minute. An Acura? Well, that's broke. Hey, you got a broke Chevrolet over there. I don't want to hear your complaints. Oh, sorry, I was talking to you. Thank you, Walmart, for being part of this video. Bye!